Yes, sir. Welcome back to another episode of Trading with Mondo. And this week, I haven't put in a video since last week, but this week is going to be the first video I did in 2 weeks. We're going to go ahead and review the stocks. We're going to go ahead and review 18 stocks that I have. I'm only going to review the ones that I have already flagged here. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, 11 stocks. Breaking down, see what we're thinking about. So, first things first, let's go ahead and check the Q, the WIM. Today's the second. It looked like it pulled up, tried to break out, couldn't. Pull back to resistance, but although it couldn't break out, it pulled back to support, which was resistance before that. So also we're gonna put in our broke out, couldn't, broke out, couldn't hold, and then pulled back to new support. Go ahead and do IWM now. Same thing. Try to pull out, try to break out, couldn't, and then kind of pull back to support. The MAs on top of this are kind of off, but it's interesting to see how it's kind of holding right here, this area. The only thing that worries me is this MA's moving on top of it, but we'll see how that goes. Ultimately, though, it tried to break out and pull back to support, just like I SPY. So I tried to break out and pulled back to new support because the old breakout point became support now. Now we're gonna go ahead IWM. IWM looks really, really nice. Holding support. Try to break out from his high. Pulled back to support now. New support, which was old resistance at one point. All right. So let's do that. We're gonna go ahead and put try to break out. After break out to new highs. Couldn't. So it pulled back to new support, which was old resistance. Okay. That's not bad. Well, now we're gonna go ahead and do this couple of stocks that we have. I think I will tell you guys my game plan and what we're doing. With this one, I'm probably gonna try to short it. See where it started. I say we short it around 7 if it gets back there, and then try to get 50 cents. This one's nice as well. See how that breakout right here. Boom, boom, boom. Broke 11. Now it's at 10.75. Supposedly it's at 11.25. Honestly, if I could get it up here, we'll probably try to run it as well for maybe 10.75. Yeah. It's like the breakdown's already happening. 10.75. This one's already under the MAs, and on the 30, it's above the MAs. On the 5 daily chart, it's above the MAs, and yeah, on the daily chart, it's above MA. Honestly, I would short this to maybe like 850 if it comes back up to 4. It's not gonna break 4. Maybe if it does, it does, but I don't think so. You never know. So happy trading for a bit. Yeah, try to buy short at 4 and then try to get like 25 cents, which is 375. This one's interesting. It's been on a downfall. Broke 5. Now it's around 70, 78. I personally would short this. Short. That's what I would do. Short this shit at 4.75. All right, we're gonna go ahead and short 200 shares. Right. And honestly, you know what? Just go up here, try to short at that. Yeah, and then my stop, yeah, maybe like 490, 495 right here. And then target would be 450. Same thing with this one. It tried to break down, pulls back. Now it's pulled to support. We gotta see which way it runs up. Yup. Shorting it around 13 for $1 gain, which is 12. Wouldn't be that bad. Especially if it's not gonna break out through here. Right. So let's short this bitch at 11. Ooh. That's the thing, bro. Cause like it's holding right here, right? What if it just bounces back up? And we get stomp the fuck out. Nav broke out and pulled back on the same down. Personally, get in at 12.75 and then run for like what 12.25, which is 50 cents on the dollar. Not bad, pretty good. Shorting it at 13 doesn't even seem that bad either. We'll go ahead and short that shit at limit 13.00. Buy some shares from that. I'm gonna short the shit out of it, man. And target would be like what 12.25. So 50, which is 25 cents on the dollar. Same thing with this one. MA's coming up on top of it. It's sitting on some MAs. It broke out the daily. This is interesting though, because it has moving averages on top of it. So, I mean, it could go 38, but these moving averages are some dickheads, bro. So you guys gotta be careful. Personally, what I would want to do, I would buy it and then put a stop around 40 cents for a 50 cent, maybe even longer jump. Like if it breaks out, if it breaks out, it's 35. See if it breaks out, yeah. Feed. It's gonna support in the bottom, so I really don't know. For sure, 20 cents on the dollar. Oh, we can't short this one. That sucks, dick. This is nice, man. I'm buying this. I'm buying this shit at. I'm gonna try running for like a 11.25. That's not bad. BRB. We can try running for a $3. Another 1,000. Ooh. Okay. And the stop will be maybe like 345, 350. Target ultimately be a couple of dollars up. 84. You know? Maybe 775. Just depends. It's interesting though because it's over the MA. I mean, it's under the MAs. It just got buried. It's getting hit. So we're shorting this bitch. Oh shit. We're shorting this bitch at 35.25. Right. Ooh. We're gonna short it at what? mm, then my target will probably be like at 30. So we'll see. Then look like it's holding. Same thing with this one. $11, 13 to 15, 14. It's nice. Uh, this personally, we're gonna short it out. We'll short it to 3. So 60 cents. Mm-mm. Then with this one. Then we'll show you holes. No. Look at day. You never know, man. When it starts running, it could start running. HAV, which is HAV is interesting. I'm tired as fuck. But we're gonna get through this. Boop. Honestly, if I could go back to 75, they're getting sold them, so I'll probably get off that one. 85, 25. This one goes all the characteristics, so we're gonna go ahead and sell the fuck out of this. And then at 25, we're gonna get out. Same thing with this one. We'll go ahead and sell 100 shares at 250. How about 150? Yeah, sounds better. And we're gonna try to get the 875 or even 850. Just another way it moves. 8 sounds not nice. And then last but not least, we're gonna go ahead with LUNR. Yeah, LUNR is nice too. It bounces off the resistance level, crashes down. Whoa. 180, same thing. Get in it and then get out at 550. Come on, 550. Oh, 100 shares. Let's go. That's gonna happen. 550, and that's it. We went over the like 11 stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 12 actively, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 unactive. This is what it looks like. Spine broke out, couldn't hold pat. Pulled back to no support. IWM tried to pull out, try to break out, couldn't pull back to no support. And then QQQ tried to break out to new highs, couldn't pull back to no support. So all sectors are pulling support. So this is what the market is looking like, and I'm gonna see you guys next week. Happy trading.